How to change currency on Uniswap? Are you guys facing issues to change a currency on Uniswap application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Uniswap on a mobile device. Once you open the Uniswap, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of the screen where you can see the setting icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply click on local currency. Now select the currency according to your preference. If you want to change it to Euro, click on Euro. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to change your currency on Uniswap. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.